Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and you probably guessed, today I'm reviewing luggage. Not just any luggage. This is top of the line premium luggage from MVST. Not only does it have amazing materials inside and out and all the features you could possibly want in luggage, but they also have patented tri-bearing wheels. These wheels are amazing. They're quieter than other pieces of luggage. They roll smooth, they roll so nice and easy, and just really excellent in every way possible. I was actually in the market for luggage. I was looking to replace my old large luggage bag, and MVST happened to reach out to me and say, hey, can we send you a piece of luggage to test out and try? And I was like, that would be awesome. So they sent this to me. Now this is the large. They do also have a medium, and then they have two carry-on sizes in their polycarbonate line. They have other lines as well, but this is specifically the polycarbonate line, made of very lightweight but durable, scuff-resistant German polycarbonate. And that is what I was looking for. This is excellent. It does come in 4 different colors. This is the sand color that I have here. Now, before we take a look at all the features on the outside and inside, and there are a lot of them, and we're going to go over all of them in this video, but first, I just want to start out with the wheels. Again, these are tri-bearing wheels. They're double wheels, so each wheel is 2 wheels, and they have a tri-bearing mechanism on the inside, rubber on the outside. What does that mean? It means that not only are they quieter than other wheels on other luggage companies, but they also roll so smooth and so easy over any surface. It really is excellent. So first, let's just jump over to some sample footage. Take a look at this footage. You can see me with my old suitcase and trying to roll it on carpet, and it doesn't roll very well. It's hard. The wheels don't go over the carpet very well. And then when I switch over to the MVST luggage, now both of these are the same. Both of them had about 25-ish pounds of stuff packed into them. Same for either one. So when I switch over to the MVST luggage, you can see that I'm able to roll it over the carpet without any problem at all. Rolls nice and smoothly. Now we're going to go outdoors and we're going to look at the same thing, but on rugged cement block surface, and you can see again the MVST luggage rolls nice and easy without any struggle at all. Then over a textured epoxy surface, so this surface is it's not smooth. It may look smooth, but it's not smooth. It is kind of got a texture to it, and so things that my old luggage doesn't roll very great over that surface. I mean, yes, it does roll. You can do it, of course, but it takes a lot more effort. When I'm using the MVST luggage, hardly any effort at all. It just rolls and glides so easily with hardly any effort. Even just one-handed, just rolls nicely, which is great. So you can see it's great. And even on, you can see right here, I've got it on this is a thick blanket that I have it on, and it just rolls really easily, nice, without any issue at all. Now, the sound, that's not the most important thing to me. Obviously, the way it rolls is most important, but sound, that does tell you a lot about wheels. So check out this sample footage. You're going to hear what my old suitcase sounded like, and then you're going to hear what the MVST luggage sounds like. And again, same thing, about 25 to 28 pounds of stuff packed inside each piece of luggage. So take a listen to that. So you can see this luggage does live up to the hype. Their wheels live up to the hype in terms of being smooth and effortless, and also less sound, which is just a bonus feature on top of how well they work. I just love how easily this rolls. I can't wait to take my next trip that I'm going on in April and be able to take this piece of luggage with me, because it's going to be so much easier to get it through the airports and to the hotels and all that good stuff. Now let's talk about all the features. Again, German polycarbonate, very strong, very tough. tough but lightweight, reinforced corners so that it can last. On each side here, the side and the top, you've got genuine leather handles. Yeah, genuine leather handles, very nice. Over here, you've got your TSA lock. Now this is the new 2025, so it is the newest technology for TSA locks, TSA approved locks, so it will protect your belongings better than any of the previous versions. You've also got a nice little luggage tag here, a luggage tag holder, so you can put your luggage tag on here. I've never seen a piece of luggage that had that built in. I've always had to put mine on the handle, not really the best place for it. I love that they have this here, really, really great. In addition to that, you've got your extendable handle, and it extends pretty far up, but here's what's great. The underside of this, right here, this is a nice soft silicone. So when you hold it, it's nice, it's grippy, and it's soft. So it holds really well, and the mechanism for raising it, lowering it works great. Here on the bottom, you've got feet on the bottom, so when you're setting your luggage on the side, it's got something to sit on, which is great. And then of course you've got those amazing wheels. You've got this nice little, very subtle tag here of the MVST logo. Nice and subtle, love it, very premium looking. And then the zipper is a really tough YKK zipper. They make some of the best zippers in the business, so it's gonna last, but it also, when it's sealed, it is sealed, it's gonna protect everything that's inside. And that is great. Now, when you want to open this up, you just click that once you have your right combo on, and it opens up. So let's open it up and take a look at what comes on the inside. Okay, so I've got the suitcase open up so you can see immediately very luxurious materials on the inside. You can see you've got this nice leather stitched MVST logo on the center here. On this side, you've got this nice zipping panel. You've got a nice large mesh pocket to put stuff as well. Again, all the zippers are YKK zippers. You unzip this, you've got this nice, and you can, this material is all very premium, antibacterial microbacterial material that's in here, so to help keep your clothes nice and fresh and clean when they're packed in here. And then go over to this side, you've got your two straps to hold your clothes or things in place. I love these. These are great. They just slide, come very easy, so much easier than ones I've seen on other suitcases. Even these on the ends have the nice leather accent on the ends there, which is great. Then you've got this nice panel. This is detachable, so if you don't want this, you can take this off. It is attached to these straps here, but this is great. A great way to protect your stuff that's under here and hold it under here, and then have an additional huge mesh pouch to put things as well. Again, it is detachable if you don't want it, so you can take it out. And then when you open this side up, again, that nice antibacterial silky smooth lining, which is great. And then you also, over here on the side, you've got this nice pocket, and this is lined with a water proof material on the inside, so great place to put maybe bottles or things like that that you may be carrying, lotion, things that you may pack that you want to make sure they're in something separate. This is nice and lined, and again, that nice zipper. So really premium quality materials, high quality materials on the inside of the bag as well, with an excellent layout and great different features to really get the most out of the space inside the bag. Now, besides all those premium features on the inside, you get a few extra things with your MVST luggage. You get this really beautiful, genuine leather luggage tag to go on that luggage tag notch there. So they do include that. You also get 3 bags. These are made of that same premium material that the inside of the luggage is made of. So you can use these to hold shoes or hold different clothing, however you want to use them. They include these in with the luggage. You also get this nice little sponge to help clean any scuffs that you may get on your suitcase with instructions on how to use that. And then you also get these really cool letters, vinyl letters. They give you these in case you want to put these on your suitcase to maybe make your suitcase stand out amongst other suitcases and make it easy to find. You can put your initials or your name or whatever you want to put on those. They do include those as well. So those are all the things that you get with your luggage. Again, the really selling point for this luggage is just the features, the premium features that come with it, everything that you could possibly really want in a top-of-the-line piece of luggage, and then those amazing wheels, those tri-bearing wheels that allow you to just get your luggage around very easily and smoothly without any trouble at all. Like I said, I can't wait to take my next trip and use this because I just know it's just going to be so much more effortless to get this luggage where I need to get it than my old bag. Really excellent luggage from MVST. If you are looking for new luggage of any kind, whether that's a carry-on or a medium size or a large piece like this, I would highly recommend you check out MVST. Check out their lines of luggage. Really excellent, and definitely something that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this luggage, share the video with them. All those videos are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist, so you can keep up with future product reviews. And if you have any questions about the luggage, just post it in the comments below and I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.